Hello guys! Magmukbang ako ng watermelon. Ito lang yung dinner ko for tonight. Try natin kung ilang minutes to. Start ako ng 10. Okay?
Mommy, I want more watermelon.
Yun na kaya guys. Thank you so much for watching. Team PH, maraming salamat sa always support. PH Sukil TV, thank you and God bless you all.